ሰላም ተማሪዎች ዛሬ ሌላ ጥያቄ ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ። let us see together አብረን if f of x is antiderivative of f small x and f of 1 given that is 0 f of 2 is equals to what it says f of x is antiderivative of a small f of x means which is equals this is integration of a small f of x with respect to x f of x in integration እናደርግ ምናገኘው ማለት antiderivative means integration f of x so when integrate this one it becomes or we say that antiderivative means the reverse process of the derivative. This is equals to, since f small f of x is given, which is equals to integration of 1 minus 2 over x squared integrate with respect to x. Lemon antiderivative ማለት integration ስለሆነ ማለት now which is equals integration 1 minus take this x squared to the numerator to the power of x the power of negative 2 this integration with respect to x. Here integration እናደርግ constant 1 is integration of 1 that is x minus 2 times x the power of negative 2 plus 1 power ላይ 1 add እናደርጋለን ብለን ለምን derivative ሲደረግ 1 subtract ስለሚደረግ this is negative 2 plus 1 and the other thing we have arbitrary constant c ይኖራል for the result now which is equals to x minus 2 over negative 2 plus 1 means negative 1 so negative 2 divided by negative 1 that is positive 2 so it becomes 2 times x the power of negative 1 plus arbitrary constant that is c. This shows that this is equals x plus 2 over x plus here is c. This is what? This is our function f of x, f capital at x or antiderivative of the given small f of x here. After that, what is given? Here is given f of 1 is given. f of 1 is equals to substitute what? 1 instead of x. By x ቦታ ማን ተካለን 1 ተካለን. This means 1 plus 2 over 1 plus c must be is equals ምን መሆን አለበት 0. It is given. እዚህ ጋር ተሰጥቷል. It is given there. From this 1 plus 2 plus c is equal 0 means what the value of c? This implies c is equals to negative 3 ነገር ግን የተጠየቅነው ምንድነው what is f of 2 f at 2 ምን ይሆናል ነው የተጠየቅ from this what for this shows that f at 2 or f of x አችን ምን ይሆናል our f of x is equals to x plus 2 over x minus 3 it is ይሄ ሆነ ማለት ነው f of x አችን f capital X or antiderivative of this small f of x is equals f of x is equals to x plus 2 over x minus 3 ነው የተጠየቅነው ግን ምንድነው f of at 2 ስለሆነ f capital at 2 is equals to instead of x we insert at 2 እንተካለን ማለት this means 2 plus 2 over 2 minus 3 2 over 2 is 1 1 plus 2 that is 3 3 minus 3 which is equals to 0 the result for this one is 0 ይሆናል ማለት 8 0 solution for this is the choice that is a since f of 2 is equals to 0 ስለሆነ ማለት ነው ስለዚህ በተመሳሳይ ሌሎች ጥያቄዎችን ይዤላችሁ እመጣለሁ ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ ላይክ ሼር ማድረጋችሁን አትርሱ ባይ ባይ